A DeKalb County grand jury has indicted disgraced Cobb County lawyer Richard Merritt for the murder of his mother. Back in February, Merritt was set to begin a 15-year prison sentence for defrauding his clients when he cut off his ankle monitor and vanished.
His mother was found murdered the day after he disappeared, and our Fox 5 I team covered Merritt's crime spree for 2 years. Our Dale Russell was in court today when Merritt was scheduled to appear for the first time on the murder charge.
This is the arraignment calendar for Division 1.
Another routine day at the DeKalb County Courthouse. Hundreds of lawyers, employees, witnesses, and jurors come and go all morning long.
It is your right to have a lawyer represent you during these proceedings.
Defendants file into court. Attorneys prepare all kinds of cases. But on this day, one high-profile defendant is a no-show.
State v. Richard Merritt.
Richard Merritt, disgraced lawyer, convicted thief, now facing a murder charge. And he's still on the run. No one was surprised when he didn't show.
No response.
I felt betrayed. I felt violated. The lies, the deceit. I trusted this person.
For 2 years, the Fox 5 I team investigated how more than a dozen victims said well-known Cobb County attorney Richard Merritt stole their settlement checks after handling their personal injury lawsuits.
A sentence of 30 years to serve 15 years.
In January, a Cobb County judge sentenced Merritt to 15 years in prison for stealing more than $450,000 from 17 different clients. But Merritt was given 2 weeks to get his affairs in order.
There was a pot here of homemade spaghetti sauce.
The day he was supposed to turn himself in, Merritt's brother Robert says their mother cooked him his last family meal. Then with plates still on the table and pots on the stove, she was brutally murdered, bludgeoned and stabbed to death. Merritt disappeared and hasn't been seen since. His brother thinks he is dangerous.
I would be wary of him if I saw him, just to give him a wide berth.
Frank Limka is an inspector with the U.S. Marshals Fugitive Task Force. He says despite more than 50 possible sightings of Merritt, nothing has panned out. Even the Lexus Merritt is suspected of stealing when he ran seems to have vanished.
Are you surprised he hadn't shown up yet?
I am surprised that he has evaded capture for so long. We would think that he would slip up or make a mistake.
But he hasn't, if he's still alive. In June, a DeKalb grand jury indicted Merritt for the murder and assault of his mother. He was scheduled for court today. No one expected him to appear. He didn't.
I'm afraid that he's out of the country, since he just vanished without a trace.
Merritt's ex-wife, JENINE, MINICOZZI, is a veterinarian in Cobb County. She has no idea where her ex-husband is. She's sure he is drinking heavily, very stressed, and has lost weight, shaved all his facial hair, but still sports a unique cloverleaf tattoo on his right arm.
I initially thought that this was spontaneous, but I do think now that he's done such a good job of escaping and hiding that this must have been planned.
The U.S. Marshals tell me they've had no credible sightings of Richard Merritt since the day he disappeared back in February. The now worldwide manhunt continues. From the DeKalb County Courthouse, Dale Russell, Fox 5 News.